Welcome, friends. Welcome to episode 12 of I Market Me. Today, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing. This has been a common question that has, popped up in my head throughout the last quarter of 2020, that is October to December. And I was so curious into affiliate marketing as to what it is and why are so many people getting interested in it, that I like to share my information with you. So episode 12 of I Market Me is all about that. So let's begin. Affiliate marketing is something like I have a product, I am an owner, I have a product, but I don't have the expertise to reach out to multiple people. But you, as a creative guy, has a lot of information and a lot of creative ways to get to mass people and get their trust, and you have an authority. So you are like, hey buddy, let me get your product to people and let me sell it for you, because I have an expertise in marketing the product in a very native way to my audience, and then the audience also likes me. Now, what will happen is once you have a proper sale through your ID, which you get where once you register as an affiliate, the person, after a cooling period of whatever it is, will pay you a certain commission on selling the product for him, which is a great prospect because you're now not getting paid per se after working for 30 days, but getting paid for from the profits that a person is making. Now, why a person will make that, I will just cover it in a while, or maybe in the next episode, which will be episode 13 of I Market Me. So stay tuned for that. So that is what affiliate marketing is. I have a product, you have the expertise, it's a match made. You sell it, you earn commissions, and we have a great understanding, and we can then patch up for future prospects. So in short, that is what affiliate marketing is. Now, affiliate marketing can be done in multiple ways. There doesn't have to be any particular way in which affiliate marketing is done. You can create a blog article, publish it online, make a sale through that. You can go on Quora and you can type in answers, drop in your affiliate link. You can do it through that. You can do it through Facebook as well. That is something that I will like to cover in my LinkedIn post. I will drop my LinkedIn bio in the Dropbox below, comment below. You can do it via LinkedIn as well. You can do it via WhatsApp as well. That is a really creative way of getting into it. And there, whatever digital platform you are on right now, you can do affiliate sales through that. I hope this episode was helpful to you, and I'll try to cover all these platforms that I have mentioned in detail in the upcoming episodes, or whichever platform I'm promoting it on, and I will share it with you once I have done that. So I'll see you. Bye.